Now, question of the day, MCQ, find the magnitude of frictional force and acceleration of the block. Okay, mu s and mu k are given. Mu s means coefficient of static friction, mu k means coefficient of kinetic friction. Okay, clear or not? So, how can do it? First of all, make free body diagram of that block. Clear? So, first of all, make free body diagram. I know that weight always work on downward direction. How much? That is 12 into mass into acceleration. That is g. Okay. Now after that, normal force work like that one. That is n1. Clear or not? And component of that. Okay. If you draw. Okay. That one is 37 degree. So that one is also 37. And here 500 Newton. So that one is 500 into cos 37. And here 500 sin 37. Cos 37 is 0.8 and that one is 0.6. Okay, that value is 400 Newton. Here 300 Newton. Clear or not? Okay, and so after that redraw here component of 500 corresponding to in this block, that is how much? 400 Newton, and in this direction that is 300 Newton. Okay, and frictional force work here in this direction. Clear? Clear or not? So first of all, if you redraw again, like that one, here n1, here mg, 12 12g, here 300 Newton. Okay, and here how much? That one is 400 Newton. Okay, and frictional force work in this direction. Clear? Clear or not? Now frictional force basically decided by driving force, work here or here. First of all, see what about driving force. Okay, driving force is that is 300 minus, if this one is written g is 10, then 120. So 300 minus 120, that is how much? 180 Newton. So driving force direction is upward. Okay, so driving force direction upward is how much? 180 Newton. So and n1 direction like that one, here n1, and here that one is 400 Newton. If driving force upward direction, so it is sure that frictional force work on opposite direction, means downward like that one. Clear or not? Okay, mass is 12 kg, so here 12 kg. Clear? So what about n1? N1 is how much? 400 Newton. Okay, so basically frictional force work in this direction, in this direction. Okay, clear or not? So clear. Frictional force decided by driving force. If driving force is upward direction, then frictional force downward. Otherwise, if driving force is downward, then frictional force is direction is upward. Okay, clear or not? Now check here, limiting value mu n into n1. Sorry, mu s into n1. Mu s is 0.4. Mu k n1 is how much? 400. So that is 160 Newton. That is FL. What about Fk? That is mu k into n1. 0.3 into 400. That is 120 Newton. Clear or not? Now applied force, or you can say driving force. Driving force is more than Fs. Okay, so so the block is moving accelerate in which direction? Upward. Okay, so what about acceleration? Driving force is how much? That is 180, and that time frictional force, kinetic friction is 120, that is 12. So 180 minus 60, 60 by 5, so 5 meter per second square. In which direction? Upward. Okay, and in this case, what about frictional force? F this equal to Fk is how much? 120 Newton. In which direction? Upward. Clear or not? Make it. If any doubt, then comment it. I will discuss again. Okay.